The next problem is the same thing that we did with question number 5 from the notes. Okay, we need to follow those steps that I'm talking about. They are on the teens page. I wrote them, I put them in there for you. Follow the steps, okay? First step is find the equation where x or y is by itself on either side. Either the left or the right side of the equation, I don't care. X is by itself. It doesn't have any other number. From these two equations, which those of two have x or y by itself, well, you'll notice that it's the first one. X is by itself on the left side. It doesn't have any other numbers. It's just x. Okay, so this one is saying x equals negative 2y. So that means that we are going to follow the second step. We are going to rewrite the other equation that I didn't highlight, and we're going to plug in for that number. So again, I'm not using this one, so I'm just going to rewrite it. X minus y equals 9. Once again, the one that I highlighted has x by itself, so guess what? You're not plugging in for y anymore. You're doing it for x because x is by itself. How much is x? X equals negative 2y. So that's what I'm going to be writing for x. X equals negative 2y. That's what x equals to. Everything else stays the same. Minus y equals 9. Okay. Step 3. You need to do distribution. Well, if you notice, there's no way we can do distribution for this one because it was just negative 2y. There was no any other numbers. I cannot multiply anything. I just plug in for x, and that was what x equals to, so I need to move on to the next one. Combine like terms. Can I combine like terms? Yes. I have negative 2y and y on the left side. Both of them are on the left side. That means I can add them or subtract them together. Negative 2y minus y just gives me negative 3y. 9 stays the same. I didn't do anything with it. Step 5, you need to solve for the equation. Well, for this one, I just need y by itself. And don't forget, this is saying negative 3 times y. So if I need y by itself, I need to divide by negative 3. Whatever I do to one side, you're going to do it to the other side. So y equals negative 3. Okay? Don't forget, we are not done. My coordinate point has to be my answer. So far, I know y is negative 3. I don't know what x equals to. But I told you, use the equation that you highlighted, okay, which is x equals negative 2y. Okay, you already know y. Y equals negative 3. So what you're going to do is substitute for y. You already know y is negative 3. So you're just going to do negative 2 times negative 3. And again, why is it times? Don't forget, it's negative 2 times y. So then there you go. Negative 2 times negative 3 gives me positive 6. So my answer now is 6 comma negative 3. Once again, we are doing the same steps as the other one, but be careful. This one had x by itself, so I'm plugging for x. That variable that is by itself is your hint of which one you're going to be plugging, which one you're going to be substituting for.